Today I want to show you how to use the Explorer app in Flow Director. If you have not done the initial setup yet, please have a look at the first tutorial to the Explorer app in which I explain how to do it. In general, you can use the Explorer app to manage, administrate and monitor the router network connected to Flow Director. First of all, we have to log in. So we choose the Explorer app, type in the username admin with the password change.me. After login, you see the management tree of the selected router. If you have more than one router in your network, you can switch between them in this drop-down above the management tree. If you click on the top-level node, you can see the commands which are generally attached to the router, such as reboot or hold. The next node contains all information about the router environment. It also has a subnode which contains information about the router memories. All other following nodes contain configuration and metrics of the swiftlets of the selected router. If you now click on the Queue Manager Swiftlet, you see the top-level configuration. To change it, click on Edit, change the values, and click Save. If you expand now the Swiftlet node, you can see the nodes which contain more specific configuration data. The last node, Usage, also contains live metrics. Click on the Queues node to see a list of all regular queues with their attributes. You can get the same information if you expand the node and click on a specific one. If we switch back now to the Queues node with a list of all, we can also create a new entity. Define the attributes as you prefer and click on Save. After the queue has successfully been created, you can use the search box to find it. Type in the name of the queue and click on Filter. If you click the button again, you return to the list of all queues. You can also edit all attributes of each queue directly in the table. The changes you make are auto-saved. You can also delete a queue by clicking on the name and choose Delete Entity. I was previously mentioning the Usage node, so let's click on it and see what it does. All visible attributes in this table contain live data. If the table does not contain the attribute you are searching for, you can customize it. Just add visible columns to your table or delete them. You can also sort after the size of each attribute by clicking on it. If you click on the name of a specific queue, you see a bunch of commands, such as View Messages, which contains a list of all messages in this queue. Just select a message and explore the header and the content of it. By checking messages in the list, the commands delete, copy, and move are enabled. All of this works similar with all other swiftlets listed in the management tree. To show you another feature of the Explorer app, let's open the Store Swiftlet, then open Usage and choose Files. In here you can see the free and used pages of the persistent store. You can expand a window on the right in which you have 3 slots to create charts. Just click on Configure, choose your chart type, the properties to be displayed, adjust the chart options and click on Add. I have used a donut chart to see the relation between the free and used pages. These charts can be created on any entity table. So if we now close the Store Swiftlet, open the Queue Manager Swiftlet and go back to Usage, we have also the option to expand the window on the right. I have already defined 3 charts in here, which are currently waiting for data. The charts I have used here are a donut chart, an area chart, and a group chart. The donut chart shows the current status of the consumed and produced messages, whereas the area chart shows the same value just over the time, and the group chart shows the message count of the queues in descending order. So this was a short demonstration on how to use the pre-installed Explorer app in Flow Director. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.